Hello YouTube, today is a brand new and very weird video. Today I'll be building a golden apple, yay! Now let's start this out. I guess we can build it right here. So you're going to want to go 1, 2, 1, 2. Put it round over there. It's laggy. It's laggy every time I record, which I do not like. Gonna grab your black wall, and you're gonna see right here, you're gonna go up. 1, 2, like that on both sides. So you're gonna go 2, 2. I'm not happy with the lag today. Oh my god, look at that lag. I might not be able to record. This is messing up my Minecraft. Then go 1, 2, 3. Go 4 up. Ah, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you wanna go. Stay away from me. I don't like you. I'm gonna go 2, 2 on both sides. So I'm gonna go in. Stop it. Yep, just like that. I'll do it again for you guys. Okay, like that. There we go. There's the start of a golden apple. Then you wanna go 1 and then 2. So on this way you're gonna go. Oh my gosh, you see how much light I'm getting right now? This, then take brown, put it right there. Now we will do the stem, which you're gonna go top of that. So you're gonna go 1, 2, or 1, 2, and there you go. Looks like a golden apple. So now we'll start filling this thing in. Start with the bottom. You're gonna go square. So you're gonna go 1, like that. So then you're also gonna wanna go for that with yellow. So take a block of gold. You're gonna wanna do a square right next to it, like right on top of it, like that. Right? Yep, just like that. And be right back. Okay, I'm back. So then you wanna go 4 under 1. Just like that. And do another one. Do. Yikes. And you're gonna take your orange wool. And take your orange wool. Go all the way across from where that is. and just fill it in. Oh, it's a yellow stained clay. Okay, like that. Now that you have that lined, then you're gonna go. Aha! I'm gonna do that there. I'm gonna go to like that. It's gonna look like that. Then wait, so it's going 4 high. Yeah, 4. Then the next row after that 4. You go all the way up, and you fill all that. Looks like. Then at the top, you're gonna put 1 right there, 1 right there, and 1 right there. That should be all there. So you won't need this. You got the block of gold. Looks like fill in the rest. So fill in the rest. Yeah. So I'll be right back. Okay, well there you go, guys. How's the look on it? Don't they look similar? Yes, they do. So, peace out. Boop, boop, boop.